Sometimes it happens quick.
Yeah.
I knew for sure those fish haven't seen a hook for a while. If they're sitting along here, nobody fishes here. I wasn't sure I'd be able to until I actually see where the current speed is, right? And they got to be there too, but there was 5 or 6 fish sitting right there.
Doing good.
Doing good. We're kind of going to him, and he's kind of coming to us. So just reel past it, real fast. Keep
Reel.
Keep reeling. Lower the rod a little bit. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. That's it. Don't lift.
Don't lift. Just reel.
He's coming to us right now. Keep reeling. Look at the rod there. Don't worry about the reel. Come on, keep reeling. Come on, get down. Let's go. Keep reeling.
Reel, Mom.
Okay, I'm trying.
Yeah, that was quite a big run.
If you need help, just say.
Here it comes.
Here it goes.
Whoa!
Nice.
It's a hog. Okay, I need everybody to reel.
Mom, reel.
Coming at you.
That's it. That's it.
Oh, he's through.
No, he's still on. He's still on. Reel.
He's coming. He's coming.
Reel.
I don't know if it's still there. I don't think it's there.
I think it is.
Popped it.
No?
Oh man. It popped out. Oh, it's too bad.
Yeah.
That was a horse. I don't know if it was just came out of the road.
Oh no. Did he? Yeah.
Count. Lower the rod a bit. Get that little lower in your gut. If you can. He's coming at you. Hold the rod off to the left a bit. Okay, now square up to him again. We're good. Step to the back. Oh, sorry. Step to the back.
It's all
of the
good.
boat. Pull them around. It's a big one. Let's see. Sometimes they just swim at you.
Hey, Tony, Wayne again. Sorry about that. Oh yeah, it's on. It's just got one of our guys working on.
Okay, square up to the fish. Feet, shoulders. Keep that 90 degrees to the side of the boat. Step right up to the edge. Reel down. Going out of the boat. We're gonna have to hold him. Oh no, there's weight there. Come on, stay away from me. Okay. I'm trying to keep him away from the anchor rope.
Yeah. So, but I'm totally, I'm good for a while now because he's going to mess around with this thing for a while.
You ever caught one of these before?
Nope.
Thinking this one's 4.5, 5 or so. Haul them over. Go right to the corner. Go right to the corner. I'm not be able to hold out away from the gear here. Going under again. Hold it down.
Yeah, I mean, that's.
Pull there, huh?
Yeah.
Just one out the back now. Just hold it down, hold it down. Okay, lift up. Now you step right to the back.
Yeah. So maybe maximum.
Oh, another one jumped right there. That was a different fish. Good job.
Yeah.
This is bigger than I thought. I was thinking 4.5 to start with, but this is going to be 5+ for sure.
Yeah, 14 million at 20,000 a pop divided by 7 locations is 100 per location. Yeah, we might be able to do that.
There it is.
Holy.
Over 5. Oh yeah, he's well over 5. So that's over 100 pounds. Okay, well that one's not coming in the boat.
Should we bring it to shore?
Yeah, Wayne, we're going to shore.
Holy. He's going back down?
Yeah. So I want you to do what you're doing, but don't drag him into the side of the boat. He's going to start to slow down a little bit, okay? I gotta prepare. I'm gonna leave the anchor here, and then we're going to slowly chug up that way in a minute. But I gotta back up on it.
So don't pull them close to the boat.
Is there any egg?
No.
Is it decent fish?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's like 5.5 or maybe more. Good fat one. Reel down on it. Hold low. Hold it with a low rod position.
Okay.
Okay,
Right
and
here?
just yeah, we kind of want them in this distance. You don't want to pull them right up to the boat.
Yeah.
So I'm going to release the anchor, and then we're going to slowly chug our way up a little bit. Okay.
All right.
50 on false pretense. And all of these are in the brine sections.
Yeah, I think I did.
You think?
Yeah, I think.
What do you mean you think? Bring it here. Yeah.
Don't let that fish do that to you.
Just hold the tail up. A little. Been sitting here so nice, and now it decides to freak out a bit. Got it on the fork?
No.
Hang on.
All right.
Okay, now run this right along the side of his body. Got it?
Yeah.
Watch those scallops.
You got it?
75 inches. 6'3".
Jeez.
So, that's it. Don't let go of the tail. Now get right up to the fish. Right up to the fish. That's it. Now, this from here. Don't let go of the tail. Hold it tight.
Okay.
Now, don't try and lift from here. You can't do it. Do it here a little bit. You gotta keep them in the water. Okay. So let them settle down for a second.
Okay.
Yeah, and see the design on the top of their head? Yeah. This is solid cartilage, and that's like a fingerprint. Each fish is completely different.
All right, you got the video?
Yep.
Yeah. Let's just sort of turn them around and hang on to them for a bit. Wait till he's real strong. Once you go away.
Watch those scoots there, Peter.
What?
Watch those scoots on
Yeah, I
your
know.
hand.
Right here. I'm gonna push.
What?